Hi, so a couple of new things. This is the first video on HobbyLink International that I've done. And also we've got a new logo. So there's the new logo. You'll see Chippy appearing in all sorts of places as time goes by. We'll get more, should I say, graphics done with Chippy in different places. Chippy and a friend for group builds. Basically it's going to have a theme. We're already talking about maybe t-shirts. So that's something for the future. And as I said, this is the first video on HobbyLink International. If you've come over from MBI, thanks very much for joining us over here. If you're new, subscribe button is down there. Don't forget to click on the bell as well to get notified of all the future videos. Basically all sorts from both myself and Kenny. Reviews, builds, live streams, you name it, it's all going to be on here. Today I'm going to do a review of a new decal sheet from Iliad Designs in 148. This one's all about More National Guard Mustangs. Okay, so let's have a look, see what's inside the bag. This is obviously from Iliad Design 148. Basically more National Guard Mustangs, because they did an earlier sheet with National Guard Mustangs. So let's open it up. And we have the decal sheet and one sheet of paper, colour, two sides. So we get 4 decal options. Was it Oklahoma, basically 1947. I like that they give you the extra little details so you can get your kit exactly right. Like here it has the Dallas style canopy, so you might need to swap that if you want to get it perfect. Yeah, overall dull natural metal. This one's from Minnesota, 1953, again with the Dallas canopy. Little notes like the undercarriage, the last 3 of the aircraft numbers on the doors. A certain panel is not painted. This one, Texas, what was that? Just a normal P51D. Odd configuration of the anti-glare panel at the front. Need to add an aerial to that one. Another one of the Washington National Guard, 1948. And similar as before. Basically, you get the little quirks to get your build exactly right. Over the page, an actual colour photograph of one of them. And basically top and bottom views combined into one. You can see the faded marks are for underneath the wings, and it gives you a better idea of the colouring on the top as well, and the strange anti-glare panel on that one. So there's plenty there to give you 4 different looking P51Ds. And the decal sheet itself, oh, by the way, this is kit or set number 48036, their latest one. We've got, I can't see the merest hint of backing film beyond the decals, apart from where it's the text, where you'd expect to see backing film to keep the text all lined up. Other than that, it looks all nice. Everything looks nice and centered. Colours are bold. Things line up where they're supposed to line up. Let's look at these. So it all looks pretty good. So basically, if you want some P51Ds that look a little bit different, post-war P51s, this might be something for you to consider. It's available from the Iliad Design website. That's probably the best place to get it, direct from the manufacturer, publisher, I'm sure, with decals. But I'll put the link underneath the video. There'll be scans of the paperwork and the decal sheet itself on the website as well. And many thanks for Iliad Design for sending it along for us to have a look at.